Mr. Speaker, there's one county that had an adverse opinion. We invited the governor, he didn't come. We invited him, he didn't come. We summoned him yesterday, he didn't come, he didn't write, he didn't seek leave, he didn't provide any explanation why he could not appear before the Senate. This county is Kericho County Executive. Mr. Speaker, where a county gets an adverse opinion, it is an indicator that there are persistent material breaches of the Public Finance Management Act. We have therefore recommended to the House we impose the fine of 500,000 on the Governor Kericho, adopt the report of the Auditor General as is, give 30 days for an implementation framework, failure to which the DCI, the EACC, DPP to take necessary action, the Governor be prosecuted for violation of the Parliamentary Powers and Privileges Act, and upon conviction be declared unfit to hold public office. For Kericho, Mr. Speaker, we have added a recommendation to urge the Cabinet Secretary in charge of the National Treasury to invoke Article 225 of the Constitution to stop the transfer of funds to Kericho until they put in place proper mechanisms to ensure that the money we are sending there is properly taken care of.